I remember the first time when I hold her. This is my second child. My first, I got a daughter, then I got Ekta. And she's so attached to me. No other kid, but like every day she was Mama. She wanted to be with me. See, I used to chop her hair and make her doll. See the way she felt so shy while cutting the cake. I remember that day, Ekta, cut the cake. No, Mom. Cut the cake. No, Mom. This was there.
So
I used to click the pictures.
Talking about favorite pictures, there is no single favorite picture of us. Every picture has got some kind of meaning for us. I mean, look at that face.
Yeah,
So cute.
and we went to Goa.
Still,
This is the Goa's cruise picture.
On a school bus when we were kids. We were probably in 4th grade or 5th grade, and that's when we met for the first time. I was this quiet girl, and she was this kind of a very robust and energetic girl, and it was a very unlikely friendship, but we became friends. She is always there. She never not there. If you call her any time of the day, she will make time for you. She will make sure that she goes above and beyond what she can do to try and solve your issue, and that's what I love about her.
I moved to a different city. She was so right after college also, we lived in different cities. I was so strange not having that time together about just meeting each other. And yeah, she's seen me through some very dark times. She's also had her times, and but that's the thing, right? I said she's always in your corner, and I try to be there too. So as long as, oh my god, this was unexpected. This is not cool, Manzla. This is very unexpected. But yeah, I've been grateful to have more sisters than I actually have, and she's one of them.
Who's that? Who's that? You wanna go to him? Yeah. Who's that? Him, no? What do you wanna do? You wanna go to him? Do you wanna go?
Right.
Have to be there 4
to
6 parents.
4 to 6 is parents.
On this thing, mama, mommy, sisters.
Backside.
Yes.
I did the
entire.
I mean, typically you would start on the other side, over there.
पर जब दूसरे दिन उसके जने थे तो वो उसे नॉर्मल था, बिल्कुल उसने हंसी खुशी उसका जनेऊ संस्कार हो गया, उसको लगा ही नहीं कि मेरे को स्टिचेस लगे या नहीं, तो वो हमेशा हैप्पी मूड में रहता था। और जब हम लोग पेरेंट्स मीटिंग में जाते थे तो मेरे को एक डर लगा रहता था कि हर टाइम उसकी टीचर शिकायत करती थी, बहुत मस्ती करता है। पर जब हम लोग बात करते थे तो पहले टीचर बोलती थी, पर बाद में वो हमेशा बोलती थी कि बहुत होशियार, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है। तो एक मदर होने के नाते मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील होता था। पर जो उसकी मस्तियाँ थी तो वो बहुत मेमोरेबल, बहुत याद रहती थी। वो जब भी कहीं पे भी जाता था उसकी किसी से मतलब मस्ती हो ही जाती थी, पर बाद में फिर बहुत प्यार वाला भी था, बहुत मस्त सब मस्तियाँ भी करता था, पर सबके लिए प्यार भी बहुत था।
स्वस्तिनायश्च देवो मुकुटप्रतिष्ठा भवन्तनो शुभ असांजो ॻोठ ॾिखते थो वे खोले बस हिकिड़ो ई कपिड़ो नारेल विझबा आहिनि हिन में केॾो सभु विझबो आहे
What do I like about couple? Just having fun with it. I think as simple as that. Couple is my go-to person for all things fun. If I want to just have a night where I'm just talking about things, just letting my mind out. Couple is the person who I can do it with. You guys can also guess.
What movie बन गई?
Only one character. Look at his.
He also feels familiar to that. There used to be an advertisement for that
movie actor.
That kid who used to say petrol खत्म ही नहीं होता. गदर.
Oh man, निकल
गड्डी लेके.
Hard work, bro.
तेरे जुल्फों की ये नमी तेरी
Just let that pass quietly. Everyone went quiet. Nobody said no, nothing.
आँखों की जाऊं तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा
How nice.
Look at all.
We're all
That's the
awkward.
reaction we got.
Pretty, very pretty.
Surprise.
ये अफसाने
जितने मुखड़े उतनी भाषा.
इन लम्हों में खो
Mom can. Oh wow. Lots of things have been touched.
थे हम अनजाने
He's gonna act like he's dancing tonight.
अब दिल में तुम हो चुके
Oh, the first. You did the whole thing. You did the fuck.
की परछाइयाँ तेरे सांसों की रात है तेरे होठों की है सुबह
I feel great. Like I didn't expect that the entire event will turn out to be like this.
क्या
I
कसूर
mean,
है
more than everyone else, I enjoyed it. Like, I mean, I think we planned it for 1.5 years, and now that day has come. It was emotional in the beginning, but when I saw her, I was like, wow. Now I'm super excited to get to our new house and start a different life and see like what we have dreamed about. See us achieving that. So yeah, I mean the best moments are the moments whenever we have been to India, and the very first time when we went to Bombay together, we missed our flight to Goa. That was the best moment. Like that made me realize that we both are crazy and she is craziest. So I love that. So yeah, that was the best moment, when we missed our flight.
शहर विच चर्चे ने ओ खुले साडे खर्चे ने ओ जानदा जहान है सब नु सलाम है मुंडे सारे अथरे ने ओ पिछला दुनिया नु ते अगली भी सुन ले तू ओ दिलां विच आवे सब नु पैगाम है नींद दे सुतदे ने ओ खिलदे ने मुखड़े म्यूजिक ते हिलदे मौसम जवाड़ है महफिलां दी जाड़ है मुंडियां दे नखरे ने सदके जावां तेरे ओ नच थोड़ा आके नेड़े सब नु बुला ले मेरे को बुलाना एट वजदे ने
वे कुड़ता लिया मैं लुधियाने मैं सुनिया सी कहानियां वे मर जानिया वे बेबी रक्षा मैं करा लिया मैं तेरे वल्ले आ रिया वे मर जानिया
दिल मेरा नचला मेरे नचला नहीं दिल पर जानिया वे मर जानिया थोड़ा जिहा हंसदे मेरे नचला नहीं दिल पर जानिया वे मर जानिया टोर वेग मित्रां दी ਉਹ ਕੱਖ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਫਿਕਰਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਓਏ ਨਾ ਵਰਲਡ ਵਾਈਡ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਏ ਸਾਡਾ ਓਏ ਉਹ ਗੁੜਤਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਓਏ ਉਹ ਜੱਚਦਾ ਬਾੜਾ ਓਏ ਉਹ ਬੀਟ ਹਿੱਟ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਏ ਅੱਜ ਕਿੱਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਨਚਾਣਾ ਓਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੁਪ ਕੂਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਮਿਜ਼ਾਜ ਨਾਲੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਅਸੂਲ ਉਹ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਰੂਲ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਰੂਰ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਸੈੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖ ਕੜਾ ਸੱਚੇ ਬੇਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਕਰੂ
ਵੇ ਕੁੜਤਾ ਲਿਆਈਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਿਓਂ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਓ ਕਿਊਟੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਾ ਰਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਵੇ ਫਨਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਭਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ
ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਲਵ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਦਿਲ ਭਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਲਵ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਦਿਲ ਭਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ
The first song that we're going to be dancing to, not the entry, ignore the entry. It's a funny song. But the first song that we're going to be dancing to, I think you saw the practice a little while ago. That song, even when we were practicing, we both teared up because that song resonates with our feelings from the very get-go. It's called Build a Home. It's about literally building it brick by brick, and it's nothing without the other person. And then you've watched the other person also die in that home. It's all about the journey. You know that there is an ultimate end to everything. Let's be realistic. But it's all about building it, you know, piece by piece together. That's about it.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and windowsills, tables and chairs worn by all and dust. This is a place where I don't feel this is a place where I feel at home.
नमस्करोमि गणपति नमः ओदयात् स्वाहा स्वागमाग हंसिक के द्वार हाँ
Don't trip over my lehenga.
Hold me close. Let me dead in my eyes. Till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive. Fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly. I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her. I found her. About that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her. I've run for many miles trying to find love from a woman that could love me and never leave my side. And I've run for many miles trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of and everything inside. You say that we're already done, but what does that even mean? Tell me to open my eyes. Thank God it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love, when you're scared to death to leave. Just say that you never leave, never leave. Baby, hold me close. Let me dead in my eyes, dead in my till the day that I die, dead inside. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive. With you, I'm a fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly. I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her.
If that takes longer to get ready, make some noise. Those who think couple takes more time to get ready, make some noise.
I'm up in all the stores. When it rains it pours, she like the way I heard. Rangilo Bharat. Wait, hey, shake it. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. If she let it clap for a nigga. If she throw it back for a nigga. If she throw it back for a nigga.